Every 40 seconds, someone in the United States will have a myocardial infarction, more commonly known as a heart attack. And every 3 minutes and 30 seconds, someone suffers from a stroke or cerebrovascular accident and never sees the light of day once again. Almost 900,000 Americans lay to rest because of these illnesses. Stroke is the fifth leading cause of death in the United States, while heart disease remains the first. But did you know that you can drink something every day that can greatly reduce the risk of death by up to 62% from multiple causes including heart attack and stroke? That is the power of green tea, and its potential to prevent heart attacks and stroke is the reason why a lot of people are starting to enjoy this calming drink so much. Keep watching as we tell you how a cup of green tea can likely save your life and your loved ones. And later, we will share with you a special way of preparing your tea so you can genuinely enjoy every minute of your tea time. Before we get into the video, remember to subscribe to our channel for more natural ways to live a healthier life. Green tea is made from Camellia sinensis leaves, steeped or brewed at around 90 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. Originally from China, records have shown the impact of drinking green tea, which was observed by Chinese scholars as early as 618 AD. Contrary to its name, green tea isn't actually very green. It's yellowish pale in color with a slight hint of green and has a mildly bitter taste. Not to be confused with matcha, which is made from the same plant but is cultivated and processed entirely differently. The tea made with matcha has a dark green color and more than twice the caffeine and calories. Heart attack and stroke. These two have many things in common. They are both highly fatal, especially to older people. Both are medical emergencies brought about by a cutoff of blood through the heart for a heart attack and the brain for a stroke. Most of the time, a blockage causes this to happen. A ruptured artery in the brain or hemorrhage is also called a stroke. According to the CDC, leading risk factors for heart disease and stroke are high blood pressure, high low-density lipoprotein or LDL cholesterol, diabetes, smoking and secondhand smoke exposure, obesity, unhealthy diet, and physical activity. LDL is what you can call bad cholesterol. Yes, not all cholesterol is bad. HDL or high-density lipoproteins are the good guys. If you have a high level of these bad cholesterol, it starts to build up in the inner walls of your blood vessels called atherosclerotic plaque. This buildup constricts your blood vessels and it may come to the point where it completely blocks the blood flow either in the area of the brain or heart, resulting in a heart attack or stroke. So how does green tea help to prevent heart attack and stroke? Green tea contains antioxidant compound catechins called epigallocatechin 3 gallate or EGCG. This compound is what breaks down the LDLs or the bad cholesterol in your arteries and clears out the plaques that are causing the constriction. What catechins also do is increase the amount of HDL or the good cholesterol in your bloodstream. How does HDL affect your body and why is it good cholesterol? It gathers the LDL from your blood vessels and brings them to your liver where it is processed and secreted out for good. The lesser the amount of LDL in your system, the lesser plaques are in your arteries. What happens is your blood pressure drops. Your heart doesn't need to work as much to keep your blood properly circulating. You'll breathe easier and the incidence of heart attack and stroke plummets. That's why green tea can decrease the risk of coronary heart disease and stroke by up to 20%. But don't assume that green tea is only beneficial for your heart and brain. There are a lot of benefits in enjoying this amazing beverage. LDL can be present in the brain and is also observed to have a link to Alzheimer's disease. Drinking green tea may prevent you from degenerative diseases. Green tea can boost your brain function, and caffeine, which is a stimulant, can increase alertness and decrease fatigue. It also increases the production of dopamine, which is our happy hormone, which is why it can also help with depression. If you are trying to lose weight, you might want to start drinking green tea. According to research, green tea increases metabolic rate, making you lose fat faster. Green tea lowers your risk of some cancers. The powerful antioxidants of green tea can significantly reduce your probability of developing prostate cancer, breast cancer, and colorectal cancer. Research has shown that green tea may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. A study on Japanese green tea drinkers found that they were 42% less likely to develop type 2 diabetes. The human body is in more constant threat from various diseases than ever before, and you should take proactive steps to always be healthy. A cup of green tea can get you a long way towards your healthy living journey. Let us share with you a green tea recipe you will surely enjoy any time of the day. Steep a bag of green tea for 3 minutes. Set it aside and squeeze half a lemon in a glass and a little zest. Add cold water and stir. Add a tablespoon of honey or a pack of stevia to sweeten. Pour in the green tea, add ice, and add a slice of lemon. So how do you like your tea? If you have been drinking green tea before, how did it improve your health? Join the conversation and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to share this video to your friends and family so they too can live a healthy life. Take care and always remember, your health is your greatest wealth.